Judge me when you are perfect. Otherwise, shut up. You think you have the right to judge me? To talk about my life, my choices, my struggles? Look in the mirror first. Are you perfect? Have you never made a mistake? If not, then shut up. People love to point fingers, to act like they know everything, but they don't know my story. They don't know the battles I've fought, the pain I've endured, the nights I spent picking up the pieces of my broken self. Where were you when I was struggling? Where were you when I was lost, fighting demons no one else could see? You weren't there. So don't pretend you understand. Your words don't break me. Your opinions don't define me. They only remind me that I've come too far to care about people who don't even matter. I don't owe you an explanation. I don't live for your approval. So unless you've walked in my shoes, unless you've lived my pain, keep your judgments to yourself. Judge me when you're flawless. Until then, stay silent. And remember, the ones who judge the most are often the ones hiding the most.